Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. First, allow me to thank you all for your present today for this first introduction of our interactive panels. We are honored by the visit of Mr. Raymond Kian, who is the president of JCVision Interactive Technology Company Limited, based in Shenzhen, China. JCVision Interactive Technology Company is an innovative, high-tech, and dynamic enterprise specialized in research, development, and manufacturing of modern system integration, and which provide multi-interactive solutions on international market. In this presentation, we will give you a brief demonstration of two different interactive panels. One will be the white interactive board using the projector, and the second one is the interactive flat panel display. The special qualities of these interactive panels are that they are capable to give you more valuable features, more flexibility, and more sophisticated options in your daily application. We shall show you how these advanced technologies can improve significantly your working methods, and how it can bring more interaction between your business partner, your co-workers, or your student. Moreover, on how it will impress in your own marketing and business presentation, on how it will change and bring faster progress in the educational sector, and finally on how it will obviously make an impact and be the solution in your new way of doing things in the near future. I will leave it now to Mr. Raymond to run the show. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Raymond. So nice meeting you here, and thanks for coming. So it will be my pleasure to give you a brief introduction of our company and our products. JCTOUCH Inductive Technology is one of the top manufacturers which providing solutions specializing in research, development, and manufacture of the high-tech equipment and smart solutions and interactive solutions for supermarkets and for the office fields and for the banking system and in different fields. So our company founded in 2010, and now we have employees about 750, including the workers in the factory. And we have two production lines. One is the interactive whiteboard production line, and another one is the flat panel display. And this one, the production line. We have two factories and two production lines. And our products already passed a lot of the international certificates, like the CE, FCC, and laws, and ISO. So for our products already covered in different fields, like international markets. Our products also in the North American, and also go to the European, and also the South American and South Africa. Now we are going to here for a totally new business here, Mauritius. So it will be my pleasure here to, it will be Jackson pleasure and our products pleasure to serve for Mauritius market. So I think in the not far future. Next, it will be my pleasure to give more details about our products and the application of our products. So this is our products family. We have the flat panel display. This is our latest technology products with the IR technology. And we have the smart board, interactive whiteboard, and with the projector. And we also have the touch table and also the 3D printer, and all in one multimedia system. All this will provide the solutions for the school market and office market. What I would like to introduce next is the Whiteboard interactive whiteboard and this product. So it have to connect with the, so as we know before, some of our teachers maybe were very impressed. So before we used, and now even some schools in Mauritius still use the traditional whiteboard and with the chalk. And as we all know, so the chalk causes a lot of dust, so make us cough. So not only the teachers, not only the teachers, so not only teachers cough, I think, but also students will cough because of the dust. I think for traditional whiteboard or blackboard, it's not good for health for teachers and students. So let's see, and another kind is the whiteboard. So in the office, even in some maybe banking system, so we still use the traditional whiteboard, working with the marker pen, and you will get your hand dirty. So, and also if you want to make some notes, you have to stick some papers on it. So to remind you today what I should do. It's very complicated because you have to get it down and to clean it. So now I think this is gone. So can say goodbye to the past because junction, interactive products, and flat panel display, we are changing the way of the traditional smart education and traditional office presentation. So we have created a totally new way and new style of the how the interactive solutions used in the smart education and the office field. So this is junction interactive whiteboard. So our whiteboard, so we have different technology. This is a very old technology we call electromagnetic technology, use electronic pen. And this optical technology and use the finger touch. But this technology also used 2 touch points. And now the latest one, this model, IR technology, it has supports 10 touch points for this model. So a multi-touch now is popular in the market. I think some of the Mauritius school already have the interactive whiteboard, but for this model, I think now it's totally new market because for this model, it totally don't need the projector. If you go to the projector to the presentation, so you will see that it's easy to write, but by comparing with the traditional blackboard, it has the advantage that you can write and you can choose the eraser here. You can clean it. But the disadvantage is that you see that this is my shadow. Projector is here. I think if I'm a teacher, I stay here, so I see the projector to projection on my eyes. I think I'm not feeling very comfortable. And now this one, almost we solve all the features. I solve all the problems because for this model you didn't see that at the back you have to connect the laptop on the PC or the desktop. You have 2. But this one, you see the PC? No. Actually, it has PC. We build in the PC. We call the OPS PC inside. I'll give you more details about the flat panel display. So let me share more details about interactive whiteboard. So it's the connection. Just now I mentioned. You have to be the projector, and you have to connect the PC, and this is the solutions we are providing for schools. A lot of the international countries like the United States and Europeans, 4 or 5 years ago, this one is very popular. Even now in some African countries, this one now is very popular for the whiteboard. And this is our technology. This is the latest technology with the finger touch, multi-touch points. So, you see that? I can use finger touch. No need to use the pen. Actually, this is not a pen. It's like a chopstick of transparency things. So if I can use the pen, I can use the finger. So it can fix on the wall, and it can also like this with the floor stand. It's more flexible to move it. Maybe I want to use another ballroom, another classroom. I can move it because we have wheels. And also we designed for the kindergartens, because sometimes in the kindergarten, the kids is very not that tall. So we specially designed the floor stand for them. And also we have this kind of floor stand. It's very flexible installation. And then and the software. So this is our whiteboard software. It's powerful, including the education field like the mathematics. You have the geometrics and also have the different features. You can do this. I will give you more features because features are the same. I will use my flat panel display to show you more details about how powerful the software. Okay, so that is application for whiteboard, educational, office, medical, military. This part of them. Also in the banking system, also in the office field. A lot of fields can use our products. So Cool Touch. We got our flat panel display. We call Cool Touch. It means that it's cool. So it's multi-touch. So I will show you that it's multi-touch, 10 touch points. And for this one, also can support 10 touch points. It is 10 touch points. So it means that you can 10 people to write here together at the same time, simultaneously. So support 10 people to write here. Okay. Let's go back. Mostly I want to introduce what is used in the school market. So for smart education. And we have different series. Like this one, building a document scanner and to make it more powerful features and building a camera here. So it can be like in office, we can do the video conference. It will be for the flat panel display. So I would like to address more about these products because it's latest technology. So we use the IR technology, so infrared technology. So it creates a totally new way, interactive, creative, and collaborative, effective teaching and working environment with the convenient operation in different fields. We have different size choice. No matter you have big office and small office, or ballroom or big ballroom, small office, we have a different size to suitable for your office or school markets. Even 98-inch, all past the CE and FCC. So you are no worry about that. There's no size suitable for your office or classroom. Up to 10 touch points, all the features. Also, we have the anti-glass, and we use the OBS and PC below it. So you see that we can also use the we call the electric choice. It actually is a remote control. You can make it vertical and you can make it flat. For our flat panel display, actually, so another name we call Smart Touch TV. By comparing with the traditional TV, so this one is touch and building the OBS PC inside. I want to show you actually. So